Spirea shrubs are popular ornamental plants, known for their attractive clusters of flowers and ease of care. Here's a guide on how to grow and care for Spirea shrubs. 1. Choose the right location. Spirea shrubs prefer full sun to light shade. Ensure they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal growth and flowering. Select a well-draining location with fertile soil. Spirea can tolerate a range of soil types, but thrives in slightly acidic to neutral soil, pH 6.0 to 7.0. 2. Planting. Spirea shrubs can be planted in the spring or fall when the weather is mild. Dig a hole that is as deep as the root ball and twice as wide. Place the shrub in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the ground surface. Backfill with soil, tamp it down gently, and water thoroughly. 3. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the shrub's establishment period, the first year after planting. Once established, Spirea shrubs are moderately drought tolerant, but they still benefit from regular watering during dry spells. 4. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the shrub to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 5. Fertilizing. Spirea shrubs generally do well without excessive fertilization. In early spring, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer according to package instructions. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive growth and reduced flowering. 6. Pruning. Pruning is essential for maintaining the shape and encouraging new growth and blooms. Prune Spirea shrubs in the late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Remove dead, damaged, or diseased branches, and cut back 1/3 to 1/2 of the old growth to encourage vigorous new shoots. Some Spirea varieties, like bridal wreath, produce their best blooms on old wood, so be cautious with heavy pruning for these types. 7. Pests and diseases. Spirea shrubs are relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, occasional problems like aphids or powdery mildew may occur. Treat pests with insecticidal soap or neem oil, and manage powdery mildew with fungicides if necessary. 8. Transplanting. If you need to transplant a Spirea shrub, do so in early spring or late fall when the plant is dormant. Dig up as much of the root ball as possible, replant it at the same depth, and water well. 9. Enjoy the blooms. Spirea shrubs typically bloom in late spring to early summer, producing clusters of colorful flowers, depending on the variety. Enjoy the vibrant display of flowers in your garden. Spirea shrubs are relatively low maintenance and can add beauty and color to your landscape. By following these care guidelines, you can ensure that your Spirea shrubs thrive and continue to flourish for years to come.